Make sure the lid is on tight. And this is why I like putting the correct amount of water in, because now we got the correct amount. We know what to pour in. And if you fill this up and you want to keep it warm, all you have to do is press keep warm. So inside they provide you with manual and different how to make coffee and so forth. Inside it does show, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, right in there it says max 0.8 liter, minimum 0.5. On here you can see the different settings, so you can actually select what setting you want. So once you plug it in, you set it kettle on, and then you can go ahead and start and stop. Press the button over here to pick your setting. You got green 175, white 185, coffee 205, black boil 212. So pretty much you can heat stuff up to from 175 to 212. And then you just press start. Alright guys, so basically it auto goes off on its own, and once you set this on here, it's ready to go. The best way to know how much water you're going to actually need, what I like to do is grab a mug. So grab a mug, and if it's 2 people, you would just repeat this. So grab a mug, fill it up to what I want to fill it up to, and then take our mug over and pour it down in. And now I know that's perfect amount of water for our hot chocolate that we're gonna do. And if it's 2 people, you just do that twice. That way, you don't have excess water, or whatever works for you guys. All right, place your lid on, and now we're gonna go ahead and select what we want. Probably 205 for hot chocolate. You press that. So as it's blinking, that means it's heating up. So you just let it do its thing. After about a minute, you'll probably start to hear it boil. You guys hear this? Once it hits the temperature, it will turn off and stop. It will beep 3 times and it will stay solid, letting you know that it's done. Make sure the lid is on tight. And this is why I like putting the correct amount of water in, because now we got the correct amount. We know what to pour in. Shake it a little bit. And if you fill this up and you want to keep it warm, all you have to do is press keep warm. So, and that just holds it for 3 seconds.